Hello. Hey there, guys. We have another sister wash day. If you are brand new to my channel and have not met this lovely human, this is my sister. She is the reason I started learning about how to care for wavy curly hair, because you have wavy curly hair, most certainly. And a long time ago, we did a really fun sister Q&A video. You are welcome to check it out if you'd like. And I promised in that video that we would do a wash day wherein we used the exact same products, the exact same styling techniques, and show you the results, because we have different hair. I'm sorry it's been years. So today we will be using the Mop Top Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner.
They smell really good too.
They do. I really like the way these smell. And we will be using the My Yeay Protein Leave-In, because both of us are needing some protein. And you may be saying, Courtney, that doesn't seem like enough for a wash day. Let me drop products all over the floor. Okay. And you're right. That is not enough products for a wash day. We will then be plopping our hair, taking off the plop, and applying the gel. Gasp. That's like anti-everything I stand for. For a very long time now, I have been recommending to style your hair on soaking wet hair. And as a general rule, that tends to be the most effective styling method for the widest range of people. But I may or may not have been playing around with damp styling lately, wherein you plop and then apply your gel. And I've been getting some really good results, and I'm dying to see how it shows up on her hair. So we're going to be trying damp styling and the exact same products and see how it affects two different hair types.
That, and if you do damp styling, does it help you dry your hair faster too?
Theoretically, we're going to be testing that as well.
And that would be a big plus for me, because a lot of hair takes a long time to dry.
It's so long. And before I forget, here are our hair types. I have fine, low porosity, wavy hair. And she has low porosity, coarse, curly hair. Right now, you know, what number day is this? 3?
Day 3.
4? 3?
3.
3? I'm on day 3 too. No, I'm not. I'm on day 2. Nah.
Close enough.
Anyway, she had her hair pulled back. That's why it stretched out. But she's an honest to goodness 3A curly in there. And I'm very curious to see what damp styling does to your hair.
Me too. As
well as mine. All right. We're going to go wash, condition, and plop our hair. And then we'll be back to apply stylers. All right. We've plopped our hair. It's been about 10 minutes for you.
Yeah.
A little less than that for me, but it's fine. It's close enough. And yes, you may be noticing, Courtney, that's not your normal hair towel. This is the new shade from the Perfect Hair Care.
And you matched your shirt today.
I matched my shirt. I feel so cute right now. Yes, I've been waiting for a long time for the Perfect Hair Care to release this hair towel. I'm glad they finally did. But
I love that color.
I know, right? Like, how exciting is that?
I know.
So now that we have plopped our hair and taken a decent amount of the moisture out, we will be using my favorite gel, the Chi Infragel Maximum Control Gel. This is a dupe for the BioSilk Rock Hard Gelée, except it has that really good fragrance that the Chi products have. All right, so now let's take our hair out of the plop. Okay. Deplop the hairs. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Take your towel and scrunch your hair one more time.
Okay.
We're both having to duck our head out of frame.
Whee!
Well,
yeah, it's like swing, bada swing.
Swinging our head from side to side. You know what would be helpful is if we had a mirror in here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get that. Now we Here is our gel.
Wee.
Would you like some?
Yes, please. Wee.
Would you like some water?
Please.
I didn't have any water, so my gel dried on my hands. I do find when I've been practicing this, making sure to add just a little bit of water to the gel helps it go ahead and distribute into the hair a bit.
Yeah. That was helpful. That way it didn't clump or smear onto like one section of the hair.
Here. And there's absolutely no squish, so give me your hands. You want there to be like a little squish. It's better.
You can hear it.
Okay, have some more.
Yeah, mine's gonna need more.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clear because I did trim out a good portion of us scrunching gel into our hair, but we kept adding just a tiny bit of water back to our hair till there was just a teensy little squish in our hair. I used about 3.5 pumps of gel, and my sister used about 7 pumps of gel total. You want to make sure that there is just enough water in your hair that you can kind of pulse that gel through each of your curl clumps. And now we're about to show you just how much water was in our hair by showing you how loud it squished.
Show them the squish. See? Baby squishes. Baby squishes. All right. Now we've got the product in, and since her hair is so long, I'm actually just gonna help her out.
Yay.
You do a little bit of a micro plop. She could totally do this upside down as well, but I'm just helping. Cause I'm
It'll
big.
go faster.
Because I'm big sister and I can't help myself. I want to help. All right. So that's your hair done.
Cool.
You are good. I'm going to micro plop my hair. Really quick. And all this does is if you had slightly too much product in your hair, slightly too much gel, this is just going to remove the excess. I used to think that this would remove too much product, and I really don't think it does that. I haven't noticed it doing that, but anyway, there we go. There is our damp styling. We're gonna go diffuse our hair and be back to show you the dry results. All right, move over. Okay. How long did it take for our hair to finish air drying? I'm double checking that your hair is dry.
What was that, like 20, 30 minutes?
Right? And usually it takes like an hour to 2 hours.
Yeah.
We'll diffuse our hair until we can't stand it no more.
That's all I can stand. I can't stand no more.
And then we air dry the rest of the way.
That, and even when we're diffusing, my hair is drying a lot faster than it normally does. So
It really
was
did.
Really nice.
That was super nice. Pro tip, if you don't diffuse your hair all the way, I personally have noticed that your hair doesn't get quite as frizzy. So that's another reason I don't diffuse all the way. But damp styling, you diffuse less and you air dry less and your hair is dry faster.
And it looks great.
So now that our hair is dry and we've got pretty good crunchy casts, it is time to scrunch out the crunch because crunchy curls is not a look that I like right now. So
Maybe not.
let's fix that.
Okay.
This is called breaking the gel cast. This is where you just scrunch or praying hands your hair once your hair is 100% dry, and it kind of breaks up any crunchiness. You can do this part with like a silk scarf. I think some companies even make special scrunch out the crunch gloves, but I've always just used my hands. You could also do this with an oil. You can clap out the crunch. I first saw, what's her name? I first saw Real Life Curly Girl doing that. That was a very effective method of removing a rather stubborn cast. Oh my Lanta! I love damp styling! Damp styling. Damp styling. That's the styling I like. And now for the root fluff.
Hold on.
All right. How does your hair feel?
Light.
Does it feel crunchy?
No.
It really doesn't look crunchy either. It just looks
That's
so
exciting.
defined. Okay,
Here.
you turn around and do your reveal first. Can y'all see this? Hold on. Let's make sure y'all can see this. Alleluia. Alleluia. Okay, I'll stop. Wowzers! I can't stop touching it. Courtney, stop. And I'm touching it a lot, and it's not making frizz.
That's really epic. I
That's
mean,
awesome.
okay,
Okay,
your turn.
my turn. My turn. Here we go.
That is awesome, Courtney. Look how loose and bouncy it is. But still, you see like each and every curl is still holding its form.
I know. So, for those of you who have eagle eyes and are very observant, you will be noticing that the curl clumps are a bit smaller.
Yeah.
And that is totally normal when there is less hair. Wow. When there is less water in your hair, when you apply the gel to it, the smaller your curl clumps will be. I'm not even sure if I said that right. Hold up.
Say that again.
When there is more water in your hair, when you apply gel, the curl clumps will be bigger. And when there is less water in your hair, like what we did today, the curl clumps will be smaller. Damp styling doesn't work for everyone. If your curls tend to be prone to being stringy, damp styling will make them stringy, really stringy. But we've been really struggling lately with our hair being weighed down and stretched out. So taking out a lot of the water weight
Helped.
has been so good. Oh, so good. And bonus for the looser, wavy-haired people over here, I have noticed that day 2 and day 3 wear so well. This is almost too tight of a curl for my preference, and it will loosen up over the next few days, and I would love it. How about you? You've done damp styling once or twice, too.
Yes. But I think like the way we styled it today, it's going to hold a lot better. Also having these smaller curls, I don't think it's going to get weighed down as much like on day 2 and day 3 because, day 3 it just kind of like droops.
And that's super normal, especially when you have super long hair. It's going to kind of just stretch out a bit.
So I'm kind of excited to see like what this does, on day 2, day 3, if it's droopy or just holds its form a little bit better.
Yeah. All right. If you've been here for forever and you have seen Sister Wash Day before and some of my wash days before, which do you prefer? Comment down below. Let us know. Do you prefer when we do a more traditional, I'm saying traditional because,
What do you call it?
because it's traditional to me. Which do you prefer? On us, what do you think? Do you think our hair looks better when we apply product on soaking wet hair or damp styling? Is damp styling something you have tried? Did it work for you? Let us know. But without further ado, we hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!